Hi, I'm Ted. No, this isn't a TED Talk, but I am here to talk to you about something you probably don't think about every day: drug testing. Believe it or not, 1 in 5 people in the United States struggle with drug or alcohol addiction. Scary, right? As part of treating addiction, most providers use drug and alcohol tests to support clients in their recovery or treatment efforts. Unfortunately, almost all providers in the country use outdated, archaic, and quite frankly stigmatizing practices for the collection process. Want to take a guess at what that is? If you guessed observed collection, you would be right. Know what that means? Exactly as it sounds. Eyes on stream. One day I think we will look back and wonder how this was ever an acceptable practice. It's awful for the person providing the sample and horrible for the person having to do the observation. Well, that's where I come in. TED stands for Test Everywhere Discreetly. My team at Sharetek is comprised of people in long-term recovery, clinicians, physicians, and diagnostic experts. We invented a new way to provide a remote, accurate, and most importantly, uncheatable drug and alcohol test. Pretty amazing, huh? Our simple process allows providers or individuals to order tests and have them shipped directly to a client's front door. From there, all it takes is a person observing a cheek swab, and then the client can privately provide their sample with no observed collection. From there, simply package up the one-time swab and the sample in a prepaid UPS bag and drop that bag off at any UPS location. That sample is then overnighted back to our lab for the most comprehensive toxicology test on the market. Our lab experts then match the DNA from the cheek swab to the DNA from the urine sample, and that's how we confirm that the samples are matched. We test for over 100+ drugs, alcohol, prescription medications, synthetic urine, additives, dilution, and even frozen or stored clean urine. This test cannot be cheated. Trust me, I've seen it all tried. Once the test is received, we post the toxicology results to a secure HIPAA-compliant portal within 48 hours. That's it. Join the thousands that have said no to driving to a lab, long lobby wait times, uncomfortable observed collections, manipulated and slow results, and limited detection. It's time to bring dignity back to